In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch edit and batch export in Luminar Neo. If you've got a whole series of photos and want them to share the same look, this workflow will save you a ton of time. We'll start by applying edits from one photo to many, then finish by exporting everything in one go. Begin by fully editing a single photo until you're happy with the result. Tweak exposure and color, use your favorite AI tools, and dial in the overall style you want to repeat. When that hero image is ready, switch to the catalog or gallery view so you can see your grid of images. Click the edited photo to select it. You'll notice a colored border indicating it's active. Next, select the other photos you want to update. Hold Shift and click to select a continuous range, or hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to select individual images across the grid. With multiple images selected, right-click and choose Adjustments, then Sync Adjustments. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Shift plus Control plus S on Windows or Shift plus Command plus S on Mac. Luminar Neo will take the edits from the first selected photo, the one you edited, and apply those adjustments to all the other selected images automatically. A quick tip to set expectations. AI-based tools, such as Accent AI or Structure AI, typically adapt well when synced across different photos because they analyze each image. However, things like Erase AI, Crop, and Background Removal are not included in syncing and need to be applied to each image individually if you want those changes. If you like a more manual approach, you can also copy and paste adjustments. Right-click the edited photo, go to Adjustments, and choose Copy Adjustments. Then select the other images, right-click, return to Adjustments, and choose Paste Adjustments. Functionally, it achieves the same result as syncing by applying the same global edits to your selection. Once your edits are in place, you're ready to batch export. In the catalog or gallery, select all the photos you want to save using Shift or Control or Command. Click the export icon in the top right or right-click and choose Export. In the Export dialog, pick the destination folder where the files will be saved. Choose your preferred format, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, PSD, or DNG, and adjust resize, color space, and quality settings if needed. Click Save, and Luminar Neo will export every selected, edited image at once. One final note. Luminar Neo doesn't batch rename files on export. It preserves the original file names for consistency, and that's the complete process for fast, consistent batch editing and batch exporting in Luminar Neo.